G6. I want to start my speech with a question. How much do people underestimate life underwater? Seafood plays a crucial role in the food pyramid. For example, fish is packed with protein, vitamins, and nutrients that can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of a heart attack or a stroke. Why is marine life important? According to the UN Environment Program, it provides nutrition, medicine, minerals, and renewable energy resources. It supports jobs in fishing, seafood, leisure, and science. Yet peoples all around the world still do not realize the importance of conserving ocean and marine resources. However, World Wildlife Fund indicates a nearly 50% decline in marine population between 1970 and 2012. If I was a legislator in my country, I would propose a bill to enforce the goal of 14 UN SDG Life Underwater. Life underwater is a goal that urges individuals to conserve and sustainably use oceans for sustainable development. 70% of the Earth is covered in oceans and seas, and we rely on them for food, energy, and of course, water. The 10 main tasks are to decrease marine pollution, protect and restore ecosystems, decrease ocean acidification, enable sustainable fishing, conserve coastal and marine areas, and subsidies contributing to overfishing, increase the economical benefit of sustainable use of marine resources, increase scientific research and knowledge and technology for ocean health, support down fishers, scale fishers, and implement and enforce the international sea law. Goal 14 would be the most significant issue to my constitutionalists because without marine life, humans cannot endure. According to the GENV.org, oceans create 50% of the world's oxygen, provide ecosystem services for Earth to function healthily. Relative to the International Institute of Environment and Development, Goal 14 can contribute to Goal 2 on ending hunger, Goal 12 on sustainable consumption and production, Goal 15 on biodiversity. I believe that a specific law in the US, the Marine Mammal Protection Act, should be enforced very strongly in the Korean government. The UN should think of this as important even though the MMPA is already a strongly enforced law in the United States. According to the Ocean Conservancy, the MMPA of 1972 makes it illegal to harass, hunt, capture, kill protected marine mammals. Congress enacted the law in response to a severe decline in marine populations such as the orca, blue whale, sea lion, and polar bear. As for the funds for enforcing Korea's marine law, I consider it would be a good idea to make a funding system to get funds for enforcing our marine law. It would be more efficient and faster than tax. I want to get funded from citizens with the amount of money that is not a burden that everyone can afford. For example, Save the Children requires 30,000 won for overseas funding. Some people cannot afford this even though they want. We should not depend on a celebrity or a major company that funds big amounts occasionally because this would be very difficult if they stopped funding or the money stopped coming in because we would have a very small. I believe that other legislators should vote alongside me because of the positive long-term impact of my bill. According to World Wildlife Organization, the oceans regulate the global climate, they mediate temperature and drive the weather, they determine rainfall and droughts. It also feeds us, regulates our climate, and generates most of the oxygen we breathe. Subsequently, I believe that the most important part of Goal 14, Life Underwater, is to stop increasing endangered marine population through artificial insemination and incubation, but rather think of ways to start protecting marine life. Therefore, from my standpoint, I will propose a bill to Goal 14 of the UN SDG, Life Underwater, to save the most important and irreversible part of Earth's ecosystem before it is too late. Thank you.
Nice. All right, going back to